Hello and welcome back to my channel of Om Academy. My name is Rohit Arora. In today's video, we are going to look at how to format USB flash drive in Linux terminal for Windows and Linux. Open the Linux terminal and increase the font size. Type the command lsblk. It will list all block devices in a tree-like format. We have observed that the first hard disk detected is named as /dev/sda and the partition number are from 1 to 7. Now plug in the flash drive into USB port of computer. Again retype the command lsblk. We can observe that second hard disk detected is named as /dev/sdb and the first partition on the USB disk is /dev/sdb1. To show only selected flash drive output, type lsblk-fp/dev/sdb. To format the flash drive, first unmount the disk from computer. Sudo umount /dev/sdb1. Wipe out the existing file system on the disk. Sudo wipe fs -a /dev/sdb. Make sure that flash drive is detected as /dev/sdb. It will erase all the file system existing on flash drive. Check the file system on the flash drive. Sudo fdisk -l /dev/sdb. As you can see that no partition table is there on flash drive. Now for creating a partitioning scheme on the flash drive, use cfdisk command. Sudo cfdisk/dev/sdb. Opt for label type as DOS. Select new. Choose the partition size on the flash drive. Opt for primary. Change the partition type. Select C for FAT32 file system. Write partition table to disk. Type yes. Quit from the program. Now check the file system of the flash drive. As you can see that partition table has been created and the first partition is /dev/sdb1 and the file system is FAT32. But before finishing, we have to format the partition using sudo mkfs.vfat -n USB FAT32 dev sdb1. It will format the first partition with FAT32 file system. Now we can observe the file system on the flash drive using lsblk -fp/dev/sdb. As you can see that file system type is vfat on the flash drive. We can repeat this process for several file systems such as For NTFS file system, type sudo mkntfs minus uppercase q minus uppercase L usb ntfs /dev/sdb1. Q is for quick format and L is for labeling the file system, and the command will create the NTFS file system on the flash drive. Now we can observe the file system using lsblk command, and we can clearly see that fs type file system type is NTFS on the flash drive. For Linux based ext4 file system, type sudo mkfs.ext4 minus L usb ext4 /dev/sdb1. It will create ext4 file system on the flash drive. Proceed. Writing the superblock and file system, and now we can observe the file system using lsblk command, and we can clearly see that file system type is ext4. Now change the file system back to Windows compatible by typing sudo mkfs.vfat -n usb fat32 /dev/sdb1, and it will format the flash drive for Windows compatible system. Finally, eject the flash drive by typing sudo eject dev sdb and verify it. Now you can unplug the flash drive from the computer. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.